going ahead with question number 11. Question 11 here says, okay, what is the mechanism by which AIDS virus causes deficiency in immune system of an infected person? So what does that AIDS virus do? So the answer to this is, on entering into the body of a person, HIV enters into macrophages. Now, macrophage is a place where RNA genome of the virus replicates to form viral DNA. Now, this DNA, with the help of reverse transcriptase, will start multiplying. Now, the viral DNA then gets incorporated with host DNA to direct the synthesis of the virus particles. So it will reach to macrophages. Macrophages, where RNA of the genome starts replicated and starts forming viral DNA. With the help of whom? With the help of our dear friend RNA transcriptase. Now, RNA transcriptase enzyme later on will have replicated. Now, this replicated DNA will then start incorporating with host's DNA. So now, what happens? HIV also enters T lymphocytes. Wow, scary. T helper cells. Okay, so these were our primary lymphatic tissue. So it is directly attacking our immune system. It goes into macrophages and then goes into T lymphocytes. Now here in T lymphocyte, it starts replicating and produces viral progeny. Seeing the irony? These viruses are then released into the bloodstream and attack the other T helper cells. So normal T helper cells are weaker in front of these cells, and in result, in progressive decrease in the number of T helper cells in the body of the infected person, and the person starts suffering from number of infections. So what HIV ingest does, or AIDS ingest does, it will weaken your immune system that much that a common cold can kill a person. So basically, it enters your body, it enters into your genomic system, it starts replicating itself, and then it will start killing your immune cells. Because it starts killing your immune cells, you are completely exposed to outer environment. As you are exposed to outer environment, a small flu-like disease can cause big problems, and that is the reason why, my dear friends, HIV is one of the very lethal virus.